when you are home, there is always something going on at home. So it's winter time and it's freezing cold outside, and this this Honeywell thermostat is not working. Maybe the battery is low, so we're going to replace the battery, and I'm just gonna show how to replace it. I think it's quite easy to do it. I've never done it. I'm gonna do it, and hopefully I'll be able to do it easily, and so you can also do it. So let's see what we have. This is what we have: Honeywell thermostat. Right now, when I let's see, look at the temperature, 68, 69. When I try to do that, it's blinking. It says low battery, right? So it's better to be safe, and what we'll do, we'll try to replace the battery. I don't know what kind of battery it needs, so I'm gonna replace it. I'm gonna try to open it first, and then then gonna get a new battery. So there are two parts of this plate. There is one that is attached to the wall, this one, and then this one, the screen one, that is attached to this one. All right, so we only need to open this one, just this part, not the one that is attached to the wall. So just make sure that. So there is like a hinge in every corner, in this corner and this corner and this corner and this corner. So what we'll do, we'll try to open this, like we'll try to hold this part and this part. So in order to open this plate, we have to like wiggle, basically hold this side and this side. But before we do any of those, we just want to make sure, like there are two functions, right? One that says fan, auto, and on. This one says heat, off, cool, right? So it's winter time. So let's see, auto. We did the auto. All right, it was in on, we did auto. And for the heat, we're gonna turn it off. So we're gonna move this. We're gonna move this, and all right, so now it's off. This one is auto. It was not easy to hold the camera and do it at the same time, so I don't know if you will be able to see it, but let's see. So it was quite easy to open it. You have to just detach from here. All right, do you see that there's like 4 holes there, 4 holes here. It says up. That is just electric cable inside. Everything looks clean and decent. Right. Just want to make sure that everything looks okay. Heavy duty triple. So now the battery is super heavy duty AAA+. I'm gonna go to the store and get the battery. You can buy it in advance before you do that, because I didn't know what kind of battery it needs, so I didn't want to go to the store again and return it. So I'm gonna go to the store now. I'll be right back. So I got the new battery. It's AAA+ 1.5V. all right, so you need that battery, and we're gonna replace that. All right, so the battery is pretty straightforward. For someone who doesn't know, it'll be like minus plus minus plus. So see the minus plus and then minus plus. So the battery is minus plus minus plus. It's all set, ready to go. All right, so we are ready to put it in this box. All right, so what we'll try to do, we'll do this. So it's pretty straightforward. You just put it in and just put a little bit pressure, and it's all set. Doesn't require much. It's not so complicated. It's just you hold it, stick it in, put a little bit pressure in the bottom, and it goes right in. So just want to make sure that it's all in. Try to pull it. All right, looks good. We're ready to go. All right, let's see if it worked. So now we make sure to change the setting. We're gonna go back to on, and then heat is off right now. We did turn on the heat. All right, now let's see if this is working. All right, so do you see this? It's all green. Doesn't say low battery or anything, but we don't want that much temperature. We just want 68 for now. All right, so that was that, and it's pretty easy to fix it. The battery costs like $1. You can get it from Dollar Tree store. Don't buy it from the, I don't know, it might be expensive online. Don't buy it from like expensive store. All right, just make sure that it's not more than $1. You get 6 of them, so that should last for a year at least, and should be all set for this year. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing, and we'll see you in next video. Till then, keep fighting for justice, equality, and peace.